Hey, how about a delicious dessert sauce that goes well on ice creams or cakes, or goes on breakfast items such as pancakes or waffles or crepes? Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we are going to do a raspberry sauce. So let's hit it. So start off with a saucepan, put it over medium heat, and then we're going to start to throw in some of the ingredients. We're going to throw in a little bit of granulated sugar, 1/4 of a cup, just throw it on in. Next, we're going to put in a little bit of water, put in 1/4 of a cup of water. And next, we're going to throw in what makes everything better, butter, of course, 1½ tablespoons. Up, there's 1 tablespoon. One almost got away, there's the half. So we're still over medium heat here, so just start mixing it all together. Grab that spoon. We want to melt the butter and dissolve all that sugar until it's nice and well incorporated. Now we're going to throw in a little bit of something that's going to help bring out that wonderful raspberry flavor, a little bit of lemon juice. This will help bring out that wonderful fruity flavor of the berries. Okay, and next, the stars of the show, the raspberries. Throw them on in, some delicious, plump, red, beautiful, delicious raspberries. Look at them in there. It's a raspberry jacuzzi. Get going, guys. Start warming up. And we're still over medium heat, so just bring these bad boys to a boil. Once it starts to come to a boil, go ahead and let it boil for about 1 minute. Give it a little bit of a stir. And as always, you're going to want to skim off some of the impurities. So see all that foam? Go ahead and try to skim it off the top. We want to make this sauce nice and neat. And while this is kind of boiling, you can see that the raspberries are starting to break down a little bit, starting to release their wonderful flavors into the sauce. After it's boiled for roughly about 1 minute, you're going to go ahead and you're going to reduce the heat, and we're going to go ahead and simmer it on low for roughly about 10 minutes. We're going to reduce it down. So it's been 10 minutes. We've reduced this down really well. The raspberries have really just kind of incorporated themselves into the sauce. They've dissolved. Really all that you can see are just the seeds that are left and some of the pulp. But now we're going to add a little bit of Kirsch to the mixture. This will add a little bit of a zing, a nice little taste, a nice little flavor to the sauce. It's optional, but it does help out with the sauce. It brings out a lovely flavor. After you add the Kirsch or the alcohol of choice to this, you can let this come back to a boil for roughly about 30 seconds to a minute. Hey, okay, so now it's time to clean up the sauce a little bit. Grab something that you can strain it with. I'm using a fine sieve over a bowl, and I'm pouring the mixture right into the fine sieve. And this is definitely an important step because you don't want to have a mouthful of seeds whenever you're trying to have a nice, delicious sweet sauce with your desserts. So it's a good idea to go ahead and get out all of those seeds. So make sure that you do get all the flavor, so whenever you are pressing down on the fine sieve, just smash it down. Get all of those wonderful juices out of the pulp and make sure that you get everything and every little drop that you can. And there you go, it's ready. You can put it on any dessert that you like. You could put it on a pound cake, you could put it on ice cream, you could just put it about on anything. French toast for breakfast, why not? Pancakes, it's absolutely delicious. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do feel free to leave your comments below. Hey, and if sauces and gravies are your thing, whether they be deliciously savory or fabulously sweet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you know what? I'll see you next time.